On your icon on After Effects, you search for gradient ramp, apply it to your icon, apply your colors, then you search for CC light sweep, you add it to your icon, then Bevel Alpha, and add it to your icon. Deep Glow 2, add it to your icon, adjust the brightness. Now Shadow Studio 3, add it to your icon, and finally Hue Saturation, and add it to your icon. Or you can easily delete all those effects. Make sure that you are a subscriber to my channel, comment the word icon, and I'll send you this amazing preset. All the effects included. You might encounter this error, and I solved it with my link. In this link, you can find the follow, the preset, Deep Glow 2 lifetime licensed, Shadow Studio 3 lifetime licensed. Yep guys, since you make it to the end of the video, please help me reach 1000 subscribers so I can monetize my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see ya.